Okay, YouTube, here's another video, another project. I was at the local thrift store and I found these audio engines, $19.99, $20 for two. And the thing that was scaring everybody off was the needs repair sign. So these are the AudioEngine Model A5. I took a chance because I knew they didn't work. I could smell something burned. And I figured, well, for 20 bucks, I looked them up online. I found out they're quite expensive. I thought I would take a chance and see what I could come up with. To find out how well these speakers work, so I bought an S.M.S.L high-resolution USB DAC. And I sort of wanted to show the unboxing. So this is what we've got. And this will give you an idea. Size. Some documents. White cord, white USB power cord. Power brick. Remote control. And like everybody else says, no batteries. USB antenna. Nice packaging. Very nice packaging. And this should give you an idea of how big this is. And it's pretty basic on the back. USB in. It's got right in, left in, and subwoofer out. That's about it. So far, so good. And we've got some power. And right now, even with the volume all the way up, dead quiet. Power button. Try Bluetooth. There we have it. We have a Bluetooth connection. And it is time to try some music. Wow. So this is play. I am very impressed. Very, very nice $19 set of speakers, $20. Well worth the time and effort. Well, the sound stage is amazing. Great buy. Well, that's it for now, YouTube. Thanks for watching.